Please note that no AI, colorization or digital enhancement has been applied to my personal archive of original postcards, photographs, slides and negatives featured on this YouTube channel. A driver is seemingly nodding off, waiting for his employer to be taken home in the carriage. Baron Hallam Tennyson, son of the Victorian Poet Laureate, donated the land on which the Church of Saint Agnes was built at Freshwater. It is the only thatched church on the Isle of Wight. Embracing elements of the flourishing arts and crafts movement, this confection was designed by the architect Isaac Jones and utilised stone from an old farmhouse near the Red Lion Inn at Freshwater. The church was consecrated in August 1908. The dedication service of the mission church was performed by the Lord Bishop of Winchester. During his address he congratulated the rector of Freshwater and his many helpers on the acquisition of the church, which was to take the place of an old iron church that had proved inadequate for the requirements of a growing population and the increasing number of tourists to the locality. Indeed, it was for the latter that the quaint-looking building was specially erected. This is how the church looked when we visited in September 2012. The roof was thatched with Norfolk reed and is topped by a tiled spirelet. Inside, the wooden chancel screen with bas-relief carvings of vine foliage was carved by the Reverend Thomas Gardner Devitt, curate of this church between 1942 and 1946. He undertook earlier wood carvings at the parish church of Fleet. Thanks for viewing and listening to my blurb. You can post your comments below, particularly if they will enhance the information for other viewers. You can also click on the subscribe button to receive a message when a new video is uploaded.